Hi, Jack from AGC Lighting. Updating your lighting, or have you lost your project invisibly? There's no need for you to spend your resources on the project management. Instead, you can rely on AGC Lighting experts to deliver a high-quality lighting solution customized to your needs. Within our process, we meet with our clients to help them define their goals, evaluate their options, and provide key insight into project cost projection, operation, maintenance considerations, design, and detailed treatment reports to make informed and confident decisions. With over 8 years of experience and thousands of lighting projects under our belt, we understand the industrial and commercial lighting, what their standard and needs better than anybody. So let us help you find an energy-efficient and viable lighting solution for your application or lighting retrofit project. Now, if you don't see it in our catalog, you can just ask us.